Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the case type and securing tools. Case opener, small screwdriver, plastic tweezers. Once done, put the watch face down on a soft mat so nothing scratches it. If it has a screw-down back, use the appropriate wrench. If it's snap back, locate the notch and work gently with a pry blade. Make sure to note screw sizes and the gasket location as you remove parts, because reassembly depends on restoring those exact pieces. You continue by exposing the battery and any retaining clips or clamps. Remove screws slowly and keep them organized. Once the cell is exposed, use plastic tweezers to lift the old battery straight out and read the stamped code such as 377 or 364 so you buy an exact match. Then place the new battery in same orientation, confirming the plus and minus alignment. You should avoid metal tools near the contacts to prevent shorting, and confirm the movement. You finish by checking the gasket and replacing it precisely. If you have silicone grease, apply a thin coat to help water resistance. Next, seat the case back evenly. Tighten screws gradually in a cross pattern or press the snap back until it sits flush. Once assembled, set the time and cycle the date to verify correct operation, and wear the watch for a short period to confirm reliability. If the watch fails to run or shows condensation,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.